Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Glammin', or as you guys will know soon, Everyday Stacy. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some hair that I bought from Amazon.com. This is actually my first time buying bundle hair from Amazon, so I wanted to kind of take a minute to unbox it with you guys so you could see it. The person or the seller on Amazon that I bought it from was Zoe Hair. It is Brazilian curly hair. It came with 3 bundles. It is 100% AA unprocessed Brazilian virgin kinky curly real human hair extension. So with this hair I got a 3 bundle pack. It came with 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches, and it was $39.99 on Amazon, and it also came via 1-day shipping, so which was really awesome. Looking at the reviews, they had really good reviews on the hair, so I was totally excited about it. Here is the box that it came in, just a white box with virgin 100% human hair on the box, so it's a really nice packaging. And when you open the box, it has the 3 bundles in it. And also, they gave me 2 pair of lashes for free, so I thought that was pretty cool. So it came with 2 pair of free lashes, so I'll definitely be trying out these lashes. And it just came in a pack, so this is the 14-inch, as you can see. Then here is the 10-inch. And then here is the 12-inch. So the bundles are pretty big. I have already taken the 14-inch out of the pack, but I'm just for size sake, I'm gonna do the 10-inch. But just to show you how thick the bundles are, look at the bundle. Look at how thick that roll is. So it's a pretty thick roll. Here is the hair. So you get a really good view of the texture of the hair. And I'm gonna pull it apart a little bit just so you can see. And people really said that it blended really good with their natural hair, and I'm totally excited about that. So the hair feels very realistic. It's not too soft, but it's not hard at all. It has a very nice soft texture, and I will say, just from pulling it, I don't have any shedding right now, but I will let you guys know. So my plan with this hair is to dye the hair. I want to dye it just a little bit lighter. It's a natural black color, but I want to dye it like a dark brown, and then I'm going to put some highlights in it. So I will be doing a video on the process of how I dye this hair. I am super excited about the texture of it. I will plan to put some heat on it, so I will also let you guys know how it does with heat. But this hair feels absolutely amazing, and it does have some hints of brown in it. So once I match with my hair, I may not have to dye it, but as of right now, I'm thinking that I may have to dye it to match my roots at least a little bit. So this is the hair, and if you guys have any questions about the hair, please let me know. I just felt like a video would do justice to show you how the texture looks. Sometimes pictures on the reviews, you really can't see what the actual hair looks like, so I thought a video would be good. So here is the hair. If you guys have any questions, you can always leave them below. Feel free to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any concerns about this hair, please let me know, and look out for future videos on how I dye this hair and how I plan to install it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.